Etiefo memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so na bepese ye twetwe nkomo mesre mayen bedidi atem but this issue is very very serious. As a Christian myself no asem way asem dia etiefo very very Anthony better as on subscribe na click the notification bell no and no any dial screen so sisi awo ya na sa latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka asem no eno ene sen say mo hu video na edamo screen so no osofo bi eso kine ho ewo ensio mu na maya se menya osofo ni din any location of the church ba menya, but I think it's a very small church in Ghana. Na sorry no de menya din no sorry ni din ye End Time Church of Faith. End Time Church of Faith. Say sorry ni din no, but the exact location is say me din kind and no na meaning. Na the AC and I said first make from baby a menya video no share me who video no ever online na inkofu be bread show mo adwen. Now the video was actually posted by a Nigerian blogger. A Nigerian blogger no one fast sound and ho. It's me who video the first na me say a Nigeria in the see wo. Na me who you know like obviously me who say oh be a Nigeria enye Ghana ni ntino ma nyama adwen say me de make sakra fa ho because enye me man so in the see wo Ghana first mo amunim. Na wana me be who say Adom FM for a posti video no na Nigeria de na bo mo posti na sound nka ho ntina me nte kasa no wana me who say Adom FM for a posti the same video na Adom FM de no na sound eka ho na me tie no na tese osofo no wo ka twi and na members no so responding twi and na me say eya me man Ghana asem and asem we de osem de ba monim nti e ho na me yes me do asem ni mo suko hu say edien na esi na me hu asori ne din no etiefo osofo na we hu no wo soki ne hu ewo nsuo ni mu de ma members no se wo monnom na asem ne se eye onyankopon na ma ne sa akwantre no se wonye emma members no na the members of his church are very special. Now from the video and the response from the room no obehu ne say sorry no meaning but nkofo nshadam dos wom sa. Now a lot of people are talking about this. Obviously I didn't even see one positive comment. Obviously so obey BBC yourself for now oba bonten ebeye BBC. You don't expect people to say oh onyankopon na or say onyankopon na ayesi intimunja no. I mean if we are saying say just by the use of word of mouth can say onyankopon na aka say any say ni say ya last me kan so asem no yet na my we mu be so for bekwa kokun obi na waka say nyankopon ene ka say me kokun say nipa ko na last year we put there and say future thing na make say afiance ebesi last year krobi so so for bi kokun 6-year-old akola bi Joy FM for ekokovae na Joy FM presenter no ekoye ne ho undercover investigator ena na asofo no etresa Joy FM presenter no se enyankopon ene kate ne se wonku akola no wokun akola no wie no kosie akola no ewo ne dan echi asema wasofo no ne se onyankopon ene kate ne se wonkokun akola no inti se ye ga se nyankopon na si mi yese nyankopon na si mi yese na ene na ka nkofo de bedie wudisem ewo man we mu obi bakwa ko bo obi tio obi bakwa ko robi wo kan wo se nyankopon na se me nko robi sa nipa kro no politician bakwa ko yeska wo kan wo se nyankopon na se me nko faska no ati ase se ye de nyankopon di nyama we ane ye pene ema sebe nyankopon di ko nyama bi se mu a emboa na video na wa we hu no there are health issues assigned or aligned with this particular video. Wo hwa osofo na wo hye ne boxer mu chese na like he was wearing his boxer na wa hye boxer ena ne barefoot wo di ewra ensio we mu ena wo de ne boxer no wo koto ye ewo we ni mu inti no whether there are germs in the boxer or not no you can't tell, but wa hohoro ni nya wo ensio ni mu wo wie ye no ena wo de ma ne members no say wo munya na wo mu ennom na etie for asre semekra say wo ye wie ye no ena wo frɛ the leaders of the church asori mpanyinfo eka say wo mo be lead by example wo mo ensha say wo mo enum nsio no na wo hwa na ebi mo ase wo mo mpese wo mo be no, but he urged them to drink it na nyankopon akwantre ono ankasa ne words mu wo say onyankopon asoma wo no ankasa na koa say wonye akwantre we ema ne mba a waye amomo. This is very disgusting. And as a Christian, I will speak against this. I don't know. Maybe me can sansem na nsofo ba ene nyankopon na akasem like mesremo and la me kan no. So what kasa is just it's just by the word of your mouth. What you say? And you say na wo waka. As to whether that is either the truth or not, no, we don't know. We can't prove that. Now, I dare to me improving so there, ayana like adding. At you say, because this is so not cool. This is extremely not cool. I mean, say they are anointed, all in the name of anointing inti. Also for who you say the amount of members and so on. How? What sort of spiritual routine is this? Now, in say no. I don't know. Group bia me wom will be a post here. Na what share comment na e didi echi eba. Na te se enkofo kan etia Christosum. Won in say if eba de eham ya no. People don't talk about the pastor warriors are there no. People don't condemn the acts of the pastor. People will just start condemning Christianity as a whole. As I say no, I was a yen ya can say oh osofo no na wanya de ni ye kaseti asofo no ye nya ne sa. Christosum mom say Christosum pe eni be say bibi say besi Christosum pe eni be say bibi say besi because the other religions are something like this cannot happen. Now me person me WhatsApp chat no in sema na eba no me person me read the etrewo na who say na nkofo trouble Christosum will be can say this can only happen in Christianity. Not to say would di atem obi beka said that there is no Christianity. This is a year from the pastor. Ma yen separate what the pastor is doing from a year Christianity. And rightfully so. Rightfully so, because in some say a Syria was an yaka bekaya yasum a year Christo no. Uyu wano dienka enye because and there in Grofo a lot of a year yebeka say groups omo trouble Christosum into this embassy pe obo say is going in their favor. No work say ya catch them say Christosum no bibi say Christosum no bibi say what you say. She say be kan ba ko no enye nyame kan na ama ne we o e bia edro bi so ne ama ne na kwantre na tre say what dey be oh Charlie asem men kwani Ghana ye jiden on my way ye jiden Mr. a Christopher, those who actually feel this is wrong, let's talk against this. Let's talk against this because the reputation. You see, baby, I Ghana do no. My last video I made and me can woman say first no. Ubeka se Ghana for do na a Christopher. But see, I send you mebuno no. Womo omogidie in Christosum. Ene nsem bia pastors bi ye nti ema nkurofo bi jai Christosum ne nyama no senya sansem na koso sisi a wo Ghana no yanhwe ya it will go a long way to hurt we Christians. Now I believe say nsem bi say hunti ena this year yete from parliament say wo ma yo ma dwen say wo mo ebe regulate churches eno no na kamimi hu no say eye na kamimi hu no say eye ade a eye pan say yede embra ehye asori mu because nansense ne ensofo ni bi no ye no wanhwe ne ya enye enti me hu no say that thing was actually a good thing, but Ghana ne ewoyi yenim say nde yakopase sa law na osofo bi asabi ye hu ne say oh we yemfa ne say bia ye pass sa law no na NDC for 2020 wo mo baso na ebia o share ensema Reverend also bempa waka afa NDC for ho a obehu say they will use that law because ya basse sa law no say ye ma eye aban to me say unregulated churches ninti no obehu say esan say wo hu no say also bempa eye ni opposition pastor ninti na no also bempa e kasete ya NDC ninti no wo mo be ya ma chese wo mo ego also bempa na sorry Ghana near wo ye mbrana send mbrana ye who say the purpose for that way no go say some of the politicians will just use it for their own selfish gains. Likewise, say you pass our law no and I ye ni mensema will be at say a Prophet Nigel and a Bedukobi eka efa MPP government no. Say you pass our law no na ebemwa those pastors are you who say oh we NDC pastors ni na so no. Obo who say the politicians will use it to bring their churches down. What you say? It's a media nanka sa law no nanka beboa nanka ye, but these are the underlying issues are ABC if we pass that law and no na ama sa law na ye bibi. But uhu nyama bi say e wo social media so a na waka say law no cry pass na ye den. Muntre mo ade comment box mo tie for me da say